24th of June 2021. Here's Kalastajanmäki Fiskarbacken 10, staircase B here in Matinkylä, Matby, Espoo, in Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaa-Land, Finland. The capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams. Amazing, still provisional. Kone, actually built in late 1989, finished in 1990. It turned 30 years old between 2019 and 20. Because it found 90 on the glass, so this is 1989, finished in 1990. This your number is A65872, and it's still very fresh today. It's going to be inspected in next year, 2022. So close here. We've got time for just one ride.
Yeah. Inspektiippaa kiva inspektää, että me ei teetpä Espoo hissi.
Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. You can also watch the staircase A here and the other original ones.
That's